In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Google Drive and share link. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple and practical way. So if you're new to Google Drive, don't worry. By the end, you'll know how to upload a file from your device and copy a shareable link that you can send to someone else. To begin, go to your Google Drive home. This is the main page where all of your files and folders are stored. Once you're there, take a quick look around so you can get familiar with the layout. Your Drive home is where you'll manage uploads, organize documents, and access anything you've already saved. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New. This button opens the menu for creating or adding content to your Drive. If you've never used it before, this is where you'll usually go anytime you want to upload a file, create a folder, or make a new Google Doc, sheet, or slide. From the menu that appears, click on File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to add a file from your computer or device. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will open. Now select the file from your device, browse to the location where the file is saved, click on the file you want and confirm your selection. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the upload may take a few seconds or a little longer. It's a good idea to wait until the upload fully completes before moving on, so you can be sure the file is ready to share. Once the file has finished uploading, find it in your Google Drive, then click on the three dots next to the file. These three dots open a menu with more actions you can take, including options for organizing, previewing, downloading, or sharing the file. From that menu, click on Copy Link. This copies the file's shareable link so you can paste it into an email, message, or anywhere else you want to send it. If needed, make sure the sharing permissions are set correctly so the person receiving the link can actually open the file. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Google Drive and copied its link for sharing. Once you do it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.